after the end of the video. If you think this video is not helpful, dislike this video. But if you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel, because we provide quality content. So let's get started. Hello everyone, in this video I'll discuss why Ascensor phase 3 result is getting delayed, and in this video I'll try to give you answers. Should you wait or move on? And if you are waiting for Ascensor result, then this video is for you. So let's get started without wasting any time. So in this video I'll show you a screenshot also, okay, for your reference. So first let me tell you, lots of candidates are trying to send email to Ascensor to ask their queries, and Ascensor is giving same reply. Let me show the screenshot of the reply. This is the first screenshot of the reply. This is the second screenshot, third screenshot. You can note the timing is different. I mean, the all the screenshots are different from different candidates. Okay, so these are the three screenshots. I have lots of screenshots, but I can't show all the screenshots in one video. Okay, so I am showing three screenshots, this and this. Okay, so let's understand what Ascensor is saying. So Ascensor is saying, dear candidate, thank you for participating in Ascensor campus recruitment process. We are in the process of reviewing and as the assessment and interview results, and shall get back to you with outcomes soon. Okay, so they are saying you should wait. Okay, if you gave your online exam or online interview, then you will definitely receive your result, either selection or rejection. That's a different thing. Okay, but if you gave your exam, then you will definitely receive your result. Okay, so please have patience. And now let me tell you one thing. Now the question is, should you wait or move on? You should wait until you don't get rejection mail. You should wait, because Ascensor always sends rejection mail. Okay, and let me tell you the reason why this process is getting delayed. So let me tell you, Ascensor hiring process is getting delayed because there are lots of candidates who are from who gave exam in phase 2 and phase 1. They didn't receive joining letter yet. Okay, so Ascensor is waiting. Okay, Ascensor is waiting for their joining. After that they will declare your result. Okay, either selection or rejection, because they will send you selection or rejection mail based on the how many seats are available after phase 1 and after phase 2. Okay, so please wait. And also one more important thing, this year Ascensor is hiring lots of candidates, so that's why this process is getting more delayed. Okay, so I think I tried to explain best. Okay, still if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box, and you can ask your queries on this email id, campus.queries@ascensor.com. okay, this is the official email id of Ascensor. You can ask your all the doubts regarding Ascensor hiring process. You can ask on this. Okay, and if you think if you want to join our Telegram channel, please join. I'll provide link in description box. And if you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.